Okay, I had a request on how to put in a audio recording on a Google form. So like if you were doing a Google form and making test questions and you wanted the students to be able to click a link to have those questions read to you, this is how you would do it. So basically, I just use the recorder on my computer. So if you go down and you search for voice recorder, it's on everyone's computer and it will come up right here, voice recorder. And you're just going to record your questions and then once you record them, you can right click and say open the file location, and it's going to show you where they are. So what I did there is I moved them to a folder on my desktop called Lisa because they were easy to find. All right, so once you get those recorded, then you come back and you put that recording in your Google Drive. So I've come into my Google Drive and it's called recording.m4a. All right, so then the next step is I have to get a shareable link. And so I right click on this and I say get a shareable link. Well, it's going to be a really, really long link. So I always like to use Google shorteners to shorten my link. So what I'm going to do there is I just clicked on it and then I'm going to copy it. So I'm going to highlight all of this and I'm going to do Control C to copy, and then I come up to my browser and I Control V to paste and I press enter. Well, this is basically going to be my recording right here. It's going to pop up and show the recording. I have this Google shortener that's here, so I'm going to shorten it so it's going to be a shorter link because I'm going to have to post this link into each question that I do. So then when I copy this link, I go back to my Google form and this is my question. So I start the question out, click this link to have the question read to you, and I'm going to paste I'm going to paste in the Google shortener link that I just recorded. So basically the recording is going to be what the question would say here. And the question, I just put type question here. Now to be sure that works, when you're in Google Forms, you can always click the eye up here to preview it. And when I preview, you see now that the students will click this link to have the question read to you. And when they click it, it's going to load a recorder. And here, this is an example of a recording to use with a Google form. So that's basically how you do it. Now I know I've opened a lot of windows, but this is the recording. This takes them right back to the form to see the next form that they would need. So because I've done this so many times, it opened up these just to show for training. But basically the student they will know that the Google form is always, in this case, it's a purple or a bright blue. And then their recording, you would do it question one, name them question one, question two, question three. So I hope that helps. And this will be our first requested training video. Thanks. I love it.